What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Turf Therapy. So check it out, my internet cousin, Broke Farmer 76, he called me out, what's it been, like 2 weeks? Tagged me in this video saying, tell the people why I love my garden. Now, there's a multitude of reasons why I love my garden, easily off the cuff. Having the grocery store right here in my driveway is pretty dope. Like when I need some tomatoes, I just come out here and I get some tomatoes. If I need an onion, I got onions. But I'd have to say, throughout this journey of gardening, because if you've been around for a while, you'll know that this channel was actually founded on lawn care, homeowner style lawn care. Now, I had the privilege of being introduced to gardening, and since then I've taken to it pretty heavy. And it kind of does the same thing for me that the lawn does for me, which is giving me that peace of mind, that area of serenity to where I can really just forget all my troubles, all the world's problems, don't try to solve any problem other than being right here in my garden. So giving me that peace is the first reason why I love my garden. But to be honest, the second reason is much more powerful, at least for me, right? So check it out. Gardening has taught me an unmeasurable amount of patience. I think as men, we tend to be impatient. We want to know what the problem is so we can fix it and we can move on. And we do this all the times in our relationships at work, in our relationship at home, with your children, with your family, etc. But with the garden, it teaches you a whole new level of patience, waiting for plants to mature, being patient and waiting on that first bloom, and in the end, it all being worthwhile. So for me, Broke, I'd have to say the reason why I love my garden the most is because it's taught me an unmeasurable level of patience. So if you're thinking about gardening or you want to get into gardening, maybe this video motivates you or helps you make that final decision. All right, that pretty much wraps this up. Nice and short and sweet. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.